Hi, I'm Jordan Fournier, Product Manager at Blum US. Today I'm going to walk you through how to attach galley rails to an E-height MERIVOBOX drawer. As you can see, I've already assembled this E-height MERIVOBOX drawer. To learn how I did that, I encourage you to watch our MERIVOBOX M-height drawer assembly and installation video. We'll include the link to that video in the description below. And don't worry, even though we use an M-height MERIVOBOX drawer in that demonstration, we included all the necessary info for how to assemble and install an E-height MERIVOBOX drawer as well. Along with our assembled E-height MERIVOBOX drawer, we also have two galley rails that are the same length as our drawer hardware. To attach the galley rail, first slide the front of the rail over the top front fixing bracket. Then clip the back of the rail onto the rear fixing bracket. To remove the galley rail, simply press the orange button on the back of the rail to detach it from the drawer back. Then press the orange button on the front of the rail to detach it from the drawer front. If you have any questions about MERIVOBOX or any of our other products and services, please visit our website at blum.com. If there are any videos you would like to see in the future, please let us know in the comments below.